They have all the sizes set to $2,000, which I think that's totally ridiculous. Sneakerheads, just coming back with y'all with a quick video. I just found out that these are releasing on Christmas Day. This is the Nike Vapor Edge Kobe 6 SE Mismatch. This does come at a price point of $230. These will be set to release on December 25th. Colorways that we both seen before in that green Grinch color, and the other one is the reverse Grinch in that red color. These take inspirations from the Kobe 6s, the two shoes that I have already released before. Of course, we did do an unboxing of the Kobe 6 reverse Grinches on our channel. Go ahead and check out that video right there. But this drops on Christmas Day on the Nike Sneakers app. There's already been loaded up. These will be coming out at 10 o'clock. The predominant of the shoe is all green, featuring that black swoosh on the side. The other shoe is predominantly red, again with that black swoosh on the side. Moving around the shoe, you do see that snakeskin pattern on both of the shoes in the appropriate colors. Again, both of them have the Nike Stealth logo on the tongue in opposite colors. And the shoelaces that come with the shoe does match the shoe. If I get a pair of these, maybe I would probably reverse the shoelaces to make each of the shoes pop a little bit more. Move around to the back. We do see that plastic TPU unit that keeps your foot in place in the back of the heel and the bottom of the shoe. These are football cleats, so we do have that standard cleats at the bottom. We do see that Nike swoosh on the back of the heel. Overall, these are going to be a hard shoe to get. These are going to be limited, and so giving you on the background of this shoe, if you know or don't know that on December the 11th, the NFL did announce that they did approve and extend Nike's contract to extend for 13 more years with the NFL. So that means that they will have exclusive rights to produce the jerseys that they wear. And what I've been noticing, Nike has been selecting certain top NFL players to wear some of the shoes. As you see in this photo, we do have Saquon Barkley of the Philadelphia Eagles. He is wearing those green Grinch cleats that released back in November 22nd. And I'm not sure if anyone has worn these yet. As we know that we will have the Netflix game tomorrow. Two teams are set to play on Christmas Day. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a select player from each team do have a pair of these Kobe 6 Grinches on, but only time will tell for that. But I'm just want to make this quick video so y'all can be aware and be ready if you're going to be going for these Grinch shoes. As you know, the first Grinches that came out in green, most of the sizes are going at least $100 over retail. So I do see this shoe, because it does have both of the colors, being a little bit more higher in resale value as of today. All sizes. Somebody must have a size run, because they have all the sizes set to $2,000, which I think that's totally ridiculous for this pair of shoes. But I could see these hovering around $400. But again, put in your footwork. Make sure you enter as many raffles as you can on the Nike Sneakers app. Again, y'all will use different phones with different IP address so you won't get blocked out by Nike. But we wish you the best of luck, sneakerheads.